Welcome back to Crypto Cobra. I just spent 7 days testing every single way to earn cryptocurrency in 2025, from mining, staking, airdrops, faucets, even AI trading bots, to find which one makes the most money. I started with $0, and by the end, one method made me over $2,000 in profit, completely passive. Let's find out which one it was. First up, classic crypto mining. But it's 2025 and running a GPU farm in your garage doesn't cut it anymore. So I tried cloud mining using 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐞𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐦𝐩𝐬 using buy a cloud miner NFT with hash power online, and the only thing you need to do is go in to get a discount and click a button, get a discount on the electricity of your miner. So you actually own the miner until you sell it, okay? It's not renting. If you buy a miner for $1,000 in 𝐓𝐲_mining, you own it and you earn passive income on that miner until it's no more Bitcoin to mine, okay? Just saying. So I invested around $1,000 and I waited 3 days and earned $6.37. Not bad, but definitely not the fastest way to get rich. But with 𝐓𝐲𝐻𝐼ning, it's passive lifetime packages on NFTs. Next, I tried something called Nexo staking. One of the easiest ways to earn passive income without touching DeFi. You literally just hold your crypto and it pays you daily. I staked some Ethereum, Bitcoin and USDT, and in just 7 days Nexo paid around $12.60 I think from my staking rewards. That's with 0 gas fees and instant compounding. When I realized I was earning yield every single day automatically, I was just like, this is Netflix on passive income. You just chill and it keeps on paying you. Next up, you have crypto trading and high leverage trading. This means, let's say you input $100 into your trading account and you choose 10x. That means you are trading with $1,000, okay? And you keep the profits generated on that trade. It costs more and your liquidation rate might differ drastically, but it's a good way if you kind of know what you're doing. So for this instance, I created a AI trader app that you take an image of the chart itself and you upload it to the app, and the app does an analysis, but this needs to be done after you've done the initial analysis yourself. The AI analyzer only use it to maybe find different chart patterns that I've overlooked myself, okay? So if you want to try it out yourself, you can go in the comment section and just join my Telegram group and just say, can you analyze this coin? And I will do it 100% for free to you at home there. And this strategy alone, last day alone, gave me plus 26% return on investment on one day. The next day I had 15% profits, and the third day I think I had 8. So good way to actually get in a trade. Let's say you know that the Bitcoin price is going to go down, put in a trade and earn money when it's going down or up or sideways. That's what I do, and that's something you need to learn if you're going to be in crypto long term. So yeah, that's fun, but high risk, and you need to know about the risks before you get involved, okay? And of course, there are meme coins, the wild west of crypto. So basically, I found 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐦𝐻𝐝 when it was just launched and came out, shared it on this channel. I shared another coin called some coin that was around, I think it was around $30 or $40 when I shared it. Now it's trading at around $300 to $400 per coin. So meme coins and meme coin trading is high risk, okay? Because let's say they don't launch it at pump.fun website, they actually go ahead and launch it themselves. They create a liquidity pool, but if the liquidity pool isn't locked, if it's not locked and the person owning it can actually withdraw all the liquidity from the coin itself, coin is you can't sell the freaking coin. Okay, that's just saying. So that's a high risk. Always do not invest in a coin if the liquidity is not locked. Okay, so in 2025, if you want to earn crypto, you can start out. The best overall choice is actually just buy an NFT miner. This is not financial advice, but if you buy an NFT miner, you will actually see profits accumulate over time. Okay, my miner, I think I've earned around $700 or $800 just from Bitcoin mining itself and gold mining. So that's my favorite. And the second, you have the Nexo website where you actually use staking rewards and earn daily crypto on your actual money you have in your balance there. You do not want to have all of your crypto in Nexo. Okay, maybe 10% or 20% and earn crypto on that investment. Buy airdrops and stay away from sketchy bots and hype coins. If this video helped you earn at least $1 to $10 in crypto, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment your thoughts with your favorite earning method below. And who knows, I might send one of you some crypto.